What's up, guys? Blue Collar Tour 2024. We're out here in Rockingham, North Carolina, getting ready to weld with the boys and girls at Richmond High School. Let's go get it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You know, no matter what job you go on, there's always that core group of people, whether it's a team, you know, you build that relationship, you build that bond, you build a trust of the workers that you're with. You know, it's not just about what one person can do, it's what the team can do and what they create together. When I started teaching, I went to a 4-year college. I did time in the military, but my dad owned a concrete business. I had a great living in concrete. And then as I looked around, I started noticing, talking to my friends, the electricians, the plumbers, the builders, they were all telling me they can't find help. When I started teaching, I started seeing the figures, 1,200 mechanics short just for one dealership in North Carolina. Every day I wake up, I hear these figures. The thing is that you can make a great living in the trades, and you don't always have to be, I guess, the hands-on guy, the dirty guy. Somebody eventually is going to be the supervisor. Somebody eventually is going to be the project manager. It's not just about the hands-on guys, it's also about the people that support the hands-on guys. My thing is, I love these guys going out and getting jobs, coming back and telling me, I'm a welder now, I'm an electrician now. I actually am running the students now. I've been here long enough. They're married, they have kids. You know, they do extremely well in the trade. Right now, that's the place to be.
We would all not be here right now if it wasn't for these gentlemen. So first off, I want to say thank you, you guys. Thank you so much for the opportunity. We could not be here today if it wasn't for you guys. We really appreciate it. You guys need to look up to these gentlemen. You need to listen to what they say. They show up every day through thick and thin, through your guys' good attitudes and your bad attitudes. They come here to teach you. They ultimately show up every day because they want something better for you. So make sure you listen to them, take their advice, look up to them. So let's give them a round of applause again. Woo! This country is facing a large national security threat because there is a lack of blue-collar workers, okay? In this nation, all across the nation, there are voids of people willing to work hands-on. So our goal here today with the Blue Collar Tour is to travel and teach you kids that there is a future in the trades. We are constantly told that you will not be successful unless you go to college. College is the only way, but that is so wrong. So I'm here to tell you, get inspired, work with your hands. I know so many men and women that have made really good monies and have built a family and a lifestyle and a foundation for themselves working through the blue collar trades. Plumb the electricity. We all need lights. We all want to charge our phones. Become a plumber. Plumb that fresh water into the houses. Be the HVAC. We all love air conditioners and heaters when it's cold. Okay, and ultimately, we're here to teach you about the welders. The welders use the hot glue, the liquid molten metal to put this nation together. You will not touch one thing throughout your entire day that a welder or a machinist did not have their hands on. That I promise. So get inspired. Don't let somebody tell you that college is the only way. You might find a future by working with your hands, all right? Blue Collar Tour 2024!
Dude, Rockingham, North Carolina, you guys threw down today. Thank you guys for all your energy. Mr. Paraka showed us a great time, brought out all of his other teaching staff. Next stop, Tennessee. Let's